Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set F9064, Cupid's gift box from Funwhole. 149 pieces, and this is my Valentine's Day build, so happy Valentine's Day everybody out there. So there's a little gift box. It's not very large. There's the minifigure right there, so that tells you the scale of this thing. It is not going to be a large set. I like the design, you know, all the red and the gold and everything. There's, I believe, a single light inside this set, as opposed to some other Funwhole sets who have multitudes of lights for different reasons. This is just a single light inside the box to give it internal illumination. It looks pretty nice. I like those dark reds up here in the top part of the section. I'm looking forward to cracking this thing open and letting to see what's inside. And this is a good time for me to also say I am an affiliate through Funwhole. So if you would like to purchase this product, please consider using the affiliate link in the description below. Any purchases made help contribute to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the Cupid's gift box from Funwhole. And here it is. It's pretty small, 150 parts. Nothing too crazy about this one as far as the size goes. Now, it's packed full of detail, from the Cupid minifigure here up top to pink teddy bear, flowers, lots of gold, little ribbons and hearts and stars, and Everything on the outside. In addition, we also have an external, sorry about the light, little storage box. You can hide a little present in there, use it as a jewelry box, whatever. Really nice, neat little set. I really enjoyed it. And there's, like I said, the single light in there, so it lights up the bottom of the box. You put all that's necessary on this. There is a switch back here. I can just turn that off like that. Also included is a 2x4 printed Valentine's Day tile. Love is infinity. You can read it right there. It's nice. It's a nice little niche little Valentine's Day kind of set. You know, I know, and just I enjoyed this, and I got this for a very, very good price. If you want to pick one up of these for yourself, I have an affiliate link through Funwhole. It's linked in the description below. Please, if you choose to make any purchases through that link, that would really help the channel. I'd really appreciate it. And that'll do it for this review. Thank you for watching this far. And if you like what you've seen, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more content. I'm also found on other social media sites, TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, and Blue Sky, all of which are linked in my bio and the description below. And that'll do it for today, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.